Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and handle the components without causing any damage. First, power off your HP 15-DA001NS and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the upgrade process. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is essential for your safety. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the RAM slots. Your HP 15DA031NS typically comes with 1 or 2 RAM slots. If you are upgrading, you may need to remove the existing RAM module. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module away from it. The module should pop up at an angle, allowing you to pull it out carefully. Now, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Ensure the notch on the RAM module matches the key in the slot. Insert the RAM at a 30-degree angle and press down firmly until the clips click into place, securing the module. If you are unsure about the compatibility of your new RAM, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. This can help you choose the right components for your upgrade. Once the new RAM is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace all screws you removed earlier, securing the back cover in place. Next, reinsert the battery by aligning it with the connectors and sliding it back into position. Now, connect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. As it boots up, enter the BIOS setup by pressing the appropriate key, usually F10 or SC during startup. Check the system information to confirm that the new RAM is recognized. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop upgraded without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. After confirming the RAM upgrade, exit the BIOS and allow your laptop to boot into the operating system. Once logged in, you can check the system properties to ensure the new RAM is functioning correctly. Finally, it's always a good idea to clean the internal components of your laptop while you have it open. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. If you encounter any issues during the upgrade, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding with any further work. Enjoy your enhanced HP 15DA031NS with improved performance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.